Sony Xperia T2 Ultra is smart camera, brilliant screen, and entertainment on the go. Representing the middle price category, Sony Xperia T2 Ultra is designed especially for consumers in emerging markets like Pakistan. Sony has always offered various entertainment content of the highest quality, and with Sony's Xperia T2 Ultra it will become more accessible to users. Album app, movies, and the Walkman got integration with cloud services, providing easy access to the stunning multimedia materials. Xperia's T2 Ultra is implemented with constructive solutions to balance the widescreen, high portability, and battery life. Sony Xperia T2 Ultra's massive 6-inch HD triluminous display covers almost the entire surface of the device, taking up almost 74% of the entire front panel. Sony T2 Ultra is equipped with energy-efficient processor and a larger 3,000 mAh battery, coupled with a proprietary stamina mode. Boasting a 13MP camera, Sony Xperia T2S Heart packs a quad-core Snapdragon processor with a clock speed of 1.4 GHz, a GB of RAM and 8 GB of built-in storage. Xperia T2 Ultra by Sony is stuffed to the neck with the best company has to offer. Dimension 165.2 x 83.8 x 7.7 mm. Weight 171.7 grams. Battery talk time up to 14H, standby up to 1071H, music play up TP93H. OS Android OS, v4.3, Jelly Bean. Memory 8GB, built-in 1GB RAM, microSD card, supports up to 32GB. Processor quad-core 1.4 GHz, Qualcomm MSM8928. Connectivity Bluetooth v4.0 with A2DP, USB, Micro USB v2.0, WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN, Dual Band, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNA, Wi-Fi Hotspot, GPRS, up to 107 kbps, Edge, up to 296 kbps, 3G, STPA, 42 Mbps, SUPA, 5.76 Mbps, LTE, CAT4, 50 Mbps UL, 150 Mbps DL. Display size 720 x 1280 pixels, 6.0 inches, approximate 245 ppi pixel density. Sensors gyro, proximity, compass, and accelerometer. Display color 16M colors, TFT capacitive touchscreen, triluminous display, mobile Bravia Engine 2 multi-touch, up to 10 fingers. Operating frequency/band GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 2100. 4G band LTE 800, 850, 900, 1820, 120, 600. Browser HTML5. Colors black, white, purple. Entertainment stereo FM radio with RDS, 3.5mm audio jack, ATID/MP4/H.263/H.264 player, MP3 EAAC plus WMA wave FLAC player, SNS integration, games, built-in and downloadable. Camera 13MP, 4128 x 3096 pixels, autofocus, LED flash, geotagging, touch focus, face and smile detection, image stabilization, HDR, 3D sweep panorama, video, 1080p at 30 fps, video stabilization, HDR, 2NDRY 1.1MP, 720p at 30 fps. Other features: GPS and AGPS, support, GLONASS, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, and support, organizer, document viewer, voice memo/dial, predictive text input. Ringtones downloadable, polyphonic, MP3. Messaging SMS, threaded view, MMS, email, IM, push email. Price $387.